Hi, my name is Ratan Varyani. I'm the CEO of Vista Group of Companies based in West Africa, in Nigeria to be specific. And Vista is a company which was established in 1992 and has been in existence for the last 3 decades. We are one of the largest manufacturers and distributors of paper stationery, paper, raw materials, printing consumables, agrochemicals, and many other product lines. We were looking at venturing into a new product space of writing instruments, and we wanted an agency to support us with innovative packaging and design and development and advertising for our new launch. So our problem was to find a good agency that can deliver and exceed our expectations, improve our brand image, and make our product launch a memorable one. After reviewing multiple numbers of agencies, both in the local space and overseas, we thought Brand Bazooka will deliver the best services in terms of quality and on-time execution. We liked their team's problem-solving approach, and they had a good client testimony reference, which also further increased our confidence in their services. I will consider one of their greatest strengths and values to be in a consistent and innovative design approach, both in terms of product packaging and advertising. A very timely response to our queries, and also going an extra mile to solve any issues which came along the way, and so as to meet our expectations. It was great working with Brand Bazooka. During the engagement, they developed themselves and as a trusted partner for us. We also got hit by the pandemic, so all our timelines got stretched beyond the initial scheduled timelines, and they were very, very consistent in their approach. They were happy to give us more time. They wanted to make sure that our product launch was successful, and they were always going the extra mile to deliver on our expectations. There were several instances of where I believe Brand Bazooka went an extra mile during the few jobs that, there were always something that would come up which was not initially planned. We would have out of scope work which would suddenly be requested to them, and they wouldn't hesitate in providing that service. Many a times we had a back and forth on certain designs, and they would go back and develop and redevelop, and in order to meet the expectations that we had. I will definitely recommend Brand Bazooka for the excellent people that they are, the quality of work and the work ethics that they provide, superb. I am really thankful that I choose Brand Bazooka to be our partner, and I hope we will have a wonderful partnership going forward as we launch more and more products. Thank you.